My name is Donnie. I'm 23 years old and I have just completed the Automotive Diagnostic and Repair course at MAT.
My name is Lenard Casunuran. I am 27 years old and I'm an automotive technician in the dealership world. The knowledge I've learned in the school, MAT, has been wonderful, and I have recently gotten a promotion at my current job, and I am now a line technician.
So I first learned about Master Automotive Training online. I saw that they had great reviews, so I really wanted to check the place out to see if it could further my career path.
I will rate the school 10 out of 10. It's a wonderful school, and I recommend it to anyone who's in the automotive world.
I would definitely rate the school as a 10 out of 10 because they have great instructors that are really knowledgeable. It was really easy to learn from them. There was labs that we got to do with hands-on experience.
The instructors, I also give them 10 out of 10. They're wonderful instructors. They have knowledge on teaching electrical and engine performance in the courses I took.
I knew that this was going to be a great place because I took in a lot of information and I learned a lot. The knowledge from this school will definitely help me in furthering my career path because of all the hands-on training that they gave us. Now I can better diagnose a car through electrical or even mechanical issues, whether it be using gauges or even a scan tool. I definitely believe that this is a great place to be because of all the educated instructors and the knowledge that they have given me to help my career. And I would definitely recommend this to anyone, and I definitely look forward to taking their other classes in the future.